Welcome back to another video. Today we're about to get into these 310 nutrition shakes. Rip that box open and try not to, ouch! Oh my god, my nails got stuck, the diamonds got stuck in the box. The diamonds in this nail got stuck in the box. I tried to pull this bad boy open. You know what? It don't even matter because they got my dress in that side I was trying to show you. It don't even matter. Don't even look at that. Don't even look at that. This isn't going to be a review or anything like that because, well, it will initially be a review.
I am not trying to sell you guys this product in any way, shape, or form. I am not trying to tell you guys to go and get this product at all. I'm not being sponsored or being paid or anything like that. I spent my own money.
Ooh. Okay. Get the box. Get that open now. Here is the package. 310 Nutrition Vanilla Shakes. This is the shake information right there. And that is how much I spent. I'm just showing you guys what I will be doing with my time for the next 2 weeks. Trying to get back on track with losing weight. I was going to purchase this tea. I'm sure you guys heard of it. I think their website or whatever is Total Life Changes, but they have the tea. Everybody and their mama, their grandmama, their grandpappy, whoever. I have seen everybody purchasing that tea, people selling that tea. I was gonna try it. I just wasn't about to spend any kind of money, just not knowing for sure how it works. I did start the purchase. Once I made my account, started the purchase and whatnot, then they hit me with a message saying to call them and finish answering some stuff, and I just thought that was a little sketchy anyway, so I didn't even do it. I'm gonna go on my phone because I don't know, I don't even have good memory like that. So not that I don't know, I just don't have good memory to keep it all up here. They have meal replacement shakes, lemonade mixes, detox teas, supplements, bundles, keto, 310 gym, accessories, exclusive deals, and yada yada yada. They have vanilla, chocolate, salted caramel, toasted coconuts, mocha, chocolate mint, and they have on-the-go servings. The prices for these start at 39 bucks.
Well, the particular one, well, I wanted just, wait, which one do I have? I think I was supposed to get 12 servings. See, this is why I'm not even trying to. I'm not a good advertising type of person. Well, that's because I'm not getting paid.
Wait a minute, hold up. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me put some pimping in it. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, I wanted the 14 servings, but they are sold out, so I had to get the 28 servings. Which was $68 in total, and then tax brought it up to like $75. So yeah, I got that, and let me go read a little bit more on here. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Bingo.
Replace 1 to 2 meals a day with 310 shakes. Start off by replacing the meals that are usually the most difficult for you to eat clean with.
If you're eating really heavy, just like a whole bunch of food, that's when you're supposed to drink these and replace it. Instead of eating that big old portion, you want to replace it with a shake. Prep your shake add-ins like bananas, strawberries, spinach, etc. I don't think I'm going to be adding anything in mine, so I don't need to do no kind of prep because that's just doing extra. We're going to get into what is inside these shakes so you guys can get a little idea of what I will be consuming. 1 scoop equals 90 calories. Saturated fat is 0 grams. Sodium 290. Potassium 30 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 7 grams. Dietary fiber 5 grams. Sugars 0. Protein 15 grams of protein, so that's really good. I'm gonna start today, and I think they said you can do like 2 a day to replace at least 2 meals a day. I might start off the first week with 1 a day, and then the second week go ahead and do 2 a day. I crave a lot of chocolate, so I wish I could sit up here and tell you guys that I'm going to eat clean, that I'm not going to snack. My biggest thing is that I snack through the night. I would literally wake up out my sleep and I would snack at some 1, 2, 3 in the morning, and that is a no-no. I don't really eat heavy. I don't even really cook with oils anymore because we have an air fryer. I typically do eat salads and fruit and stuff like that, but I don't eat like that all the time. I don't even like fish like that, so I know I'm not about to eat it. When it comes to vegetables, they aren't nasty. I just don't typically go for it. So this is gonna be a challenge. I don't know if I'm gonna exercise just yet. I can't lie to y'all about that either. The real products that work should allow you to still eat and they still help you lose weight. Sometimes products, they want you to eat clean. If I'm going to eat clean and starve myself, of course I'm gonna lose weight. So don't sell me a dream. But I want to still be able to eat, and this product should still be able to work. I don't think there's nothing more that I need to explain about these shakes. But if you want to check them out, go to 310nutrition.com. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This video is probably all over the place, but hey, I'm not perfect in any way, shape, or form. I'm gonna leave this information in the description box. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And remember, if you're not here for me, then why are you watching? It's Keys TV. Think about it. Period, poo. My milkshake brings other boys to the yard.